Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Leases are certainly appealing in many ways. Many may dismiss leasing as a waste of money. And it's true, leasing a car is more expensive in the long run compared to buying one and paying it off. But for some car shoppers, it is the smarter choice.
Let's help you make your mark.
The major drawback of leasing is that you don't acquire any equity in the vehicle. It's a bit like renting an apartment. You make monthly payments but have no ownership claim to the property once the lease expires. In this case, it means you can't sell the car or trade it in to reduce the cost of your next vehicle.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Monthly lease payments cover depreciation and taxes only for the time you have the vehicle. That means the payments will be lower than if you were to buy the car and take out a loan for the same number of months as the lease. You can afford more car, a big reason luxury cars are leased more often than purchased.
Take our lead.
Mileage limits explained normally. Standard auto leases come with annual mileage limits of 10,000 to 15,000 miles, most coming in with 12,000-mile annual limits. Since the average American driver puts about 12,000 miles on their car each year, a standard auto lease works well for most.
Let's help you make your mark.
Leases usually require a smaller down payment and feature lower monthly payments than a loan. With a lease, though, the monthly payment corresponds only to the amount the car is expected to depreciate, not the full purchase price.
Make your mark, take our lead.
7 questions to ask before you lease a new car. Are there any lease specials? What is the car's residual value? What is the money factor? How many miles does the lease include? How much money is due up front? What fees does the lease have? What will this vehicle cost me over the life of the lease?
Take our lead.
Disadvantages to car leasing: most leases cap mileage anywhere from 10,000 to 15,000 miles per year. Put more miles on the vehicle and you open the door to excess mileage cars, some of which can range as high as 25 cents per mile. You could face the prospect of paying thousands when it comes time to turn in the vehicle.
Make your mark, take our lead.
5 reasons leasing works now. Leasing offers a shorter commitment. No one knows what will happen over the next few years, Weintraub says. Leasing requires little upfront money. Low interest rates mean more affordable payments. Manufacturer incentives abound. Leasing protects against sudden depreciation.
Take our lead.
Buying your leased car saves the leasing company shipping and auction fees. That's why, in some cases, they'll call and offer you a lower buyout price than what's in the contract. But Maloney says it often isn't a good deal since they'll likely offer the retail price, when you should aim to buy it for wholesale.
Take our lead.
In a lease, your payment goes toward the use of the vehicle plus the finance charge. You never pay off any principal. If the purchase price of the vehicle was $25,000 and your lease term is 3 years, You will be paying interest on the full $25,000 for that entire term.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your car gets totaled, your insurance typically pays you for the current, actual value of the vehicle. However, you still owe the leasing company for the remaining payments under the lease. For example, consider you're in an accident in your leased vehicle. The current value of the vehicle is $5,000.
Make your mark, take our lead.
8 biggest disadvantages to leasing a car. Expensive in the long run. When you lease, you're basically paying for the use of the vehicle for the first 2 or 3 years of its life, when the car depreciates the most. Limited mileage. High insurance cost. Confusing. Hard to cancel. Requires good credit. Lots of fees. No customizations.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your main goal is to get the lowest monthly payments, leasing could be your best option. Monthly lease payments are typically lower than auto loan payments, because they're based on a car's depreciation during the period you're driving it, instead of its purchase price.
Take our lead.
4 tips for negotiating the best price on a car lease. Know the terminology. Research prices and deals. Shop multiple dealerships. Be open to other car models to find the best deal. Capitalized cost. Rent charge or money factor. Mileage allowance.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.